would need more runway, but apparently it's made to fly in
Now, if
very small areas.
If he had a load of bombs on there, he'd take up a little bit more runway.
Yes,
but they,
yes.
my son's brother-in-law's got a C-47. I fly on that a couple, 2 or 3 times too. Old World
Wow.
War II Goonie Bird, you know, the old.
Yeah.
We went up to Tennessee in that thing a year or so ago.
Look at that baby coming in.
That was always a good sign during the war to see him coming back in for a landing.
Yeah, well, I was going to say, I'm sure.
My daddy was a mechanic for A-20s, that 2-engine bomber, World War II.
Yes.
His plane got shot down on D-Day.
Wow.
It's amazing something that old still flying.
I was going to say.
Old as iron. They baby those things down like before, or put the pedal to the metal back then.
Yeah, they baby all 7 that are still flying.
Yeah. Much as that thing costs to fly.
Yep.
The engine overhaul on them things about $60,000 per engine.
Yep.
Of course, when I flew that thing, they came down and buzzed the field. Well, it wasn't that one, it was another.
Wow.
He was juicing a little bit back then.
That thing, I was walking by here last Sunday, and it was here. I think they were just kind of scoping out the place, and it took off while I was here, and it is just, you'll get some really good video as it takes off.
Yeah, I know the sound's gonna be just fabulous this close.
Right.